everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I just kind of wanted to share something with you that I've done back in December, and I'm meaning to share with you. I just haven't had a time to actually film it and discuss it. This will be a pretty short video. I actually had my colors done. For my birthday, my sister and my husband chipped in and found someone fairly local to me. Her name is Nadine. I'll put her email address down below in the description box if you're interested in reaching out to her. She's associated with Color Hue. She's a 12-tone personal color analyst. And yeah, I was pretty excited to have my colors done. I never had them done before. I didn't know what the heck I was. And it turns out the colors I gravitate towards in general and saying I like that color tend to be my colors, it turns out to be. So if you've never had your colors done or even know what it entails, I'm going to link below another YouTuber. Her name's Sarah, the color and style analyst, I think her channel's name. But she does a lot of color analysis and videos it and shows it to you. They basically drape fabric around your neck. They put your hair back like in a shower cap type of thing, just so they can see your skin tone and your facial features. And they drape different colors of fabric, pretty shiny, like a satin type of fabric, against your skin to see what color looks better on it versus others. She started with like the brown and the black, and then started from there to try and see if I'm cool or a warm tone. And once she determined that I was a warm tone, she then decided to try to figure out which season warm tone that I am in, and I believe it's fall and spring are more warm tone, and summer and winter are cool tones. So then she decided that I was a warm tone versus a cool tone. And then she decided that I lean more towards the autumn, but then she came up with that I am not a full-fledged autumn. And you're gonna be like, autumn, Carolyn? I am what they refer to as a soft autumn. So like a traditional autumn would be someone who has like a red hair, looks good in like the burgundies, the burnt oranges. Now I do love those colors, and I do like them, and I do tend to gravitate towards them, but I'm what you call a soft autumn. Well, what colors are in soft autumn? Well, there are a lot of colors that I can wear in a soft autumn, but they're just more muted. So you're going to see my neutrals right here. They're like in the beiges and khakis, and then moving on into the browns. And then of course your sage green, your olive greens, and then you can come over here. You see the browns and the brick kind of colors that are in. And even some of the yellows, but like a soft McMazy type of a yellow, brownish yellow, not like a full-fledged mustard, because that, as a matter of fact, this one, I'm kind of suspicious of this being my color. I don't think this one particularly is my color. And then we move over into the terracottas, which I absolutely love on me, and then into the bluish greens. So basically everything is my color. But what you don't see in here is like the hot pinks, the royal blues. You don't see really any black. My colors are going to be more subdued and neutral, but not neutral color, if that makes sense. They're all fully saturated, but very muted. So there's no color that I really cannot wear. And I'll be perfectly honest with you, just because I have my colors done doesn't mean I'm gonna go through my wardrobe and rip out anything that's not my color. And quite the contrary, I am still looking for something royal blue or cerulean blue, because I like different colors, and different colors spark joy. This also doesn't mean that I'm going to only bring these colors out with me shopping and only buy these colors. I know some women do that. But honestly, I need variety in my life. But I will look on this and see, well, am I missing any of these colors from my wardrobe? Then I will start seeking out and purchasing some of those items that I don't have these colors in my wardrobe, and I know that they should look good on me. So this is kind of like how I'd have to use my color analysis. And when I'm shopping, if there's something I really like, and I'm like, I don't know if I should get it or not, if I'm hemming and hawing, maybe because of price, or maybe because I might have something a little similar, this might throw me one way or the other. Like if it's not one of my colors, I'm gonna be like, nope, not one of my colors. I already got something similar, not gonna get it. But if it is one of my colors, maybe I might gravitate towards getting it. But it's not gonna make a huge impact on my purchases really whatsoever. The other thing that I had asked her, well, since I'm a warm tone, because I never quite know if I'm, cool or warm, or what I should be wearing, silver or gold. Does that mean I'm gonna go just one way or the other? No, but since I'm warm toned, I should be gold, right? So I said to her, I said, so I should be buying more gold jewelry because I'm warm toned, right? And her answer was, not really gold, antique gold. So I was like, ooh, that's something I can add to my collection. I don't really have much in antique gold. Does that mean I'm gonna stop wearing silver? Well, as you can see, I'm wearing my silver earrings today. So no, I'm not gonna stop wearing silver. I'm gonna wear what I enjoy wearing, but the idea of adding new things that I maybe not have thought about to my closet is kind of exciting. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share this with you and how I'm using this color analysis. And some of you might be surprised that I'm an autumn. I was kind of surprised that I was an autumn. And when I was telling my sister, because she said, how did it go? She actually had a bunch of her friends there, and one guy joked, so you're September is basically what you're saying, because I'm not quite a summer. And I'm not quite a full-fledged autumn either. I'm a soft autumn. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Are you very surprised that I'm a soft autumn? Are you surprised that I have my colors done? Have you had your colors done, and how has that impacted your wardrobe choices, if any at all? And let me know your thoughts below. Take care, and until next time.